Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to borrow money on Cash App. Cash App Borrow is not available for everyone. It is being rolled out slowly, and only selected users with an account in good standing can see it. If you do not see it yet, it means you are not eligible at the moment. To increase your chances of getting access, you should actively use your Cash App account. Spending around $500 or more each month using your Cash App card or Cash App Pay can help. You can also receive at least $300 in qualifying direct deposits such as paychecks every month. Keeping a positive balance in your Cash App account is also important. Make sure your bank account is linked and verified inside the app. Once you meet these conditions, open the Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, go to the Balance section. Look for an option called Borrow. If it is available, tap on it. The app will show you your current borrowing limit. This limit depends on your account activity and history. Select the amount you want to borrow from the available options. After selecting, confirm your request. The money will be added to your Cash App balance, and you can use it immediately for payments, transfers, or purchases. Remember that borrowed money usually comes with a repayment schedule and possible fees, so make sure you read the terms carefully before confirming. Thanks for watching.